welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Politicos workers anticipate BJP in North, South unclear. Major votes split up in Salsette, Bardes and Mining Belt. 16th May to clear off claims, counter-claims. NIA's charge sheet discloses terrorist Yasin stay in Goa. Yasin with his men experimented explosive using chemicals. Prudent gets charge sheet copy. Illegal scrapyard in Betodda catches fire. Loss claimed worth 1 lakh. Bharat Gas go down and Wallace factory just 10 meters away. Major tragedy averted. No arrests yet. Bollywood stars, celebrities in fray for Lok Sabha poll. 16th Lok Sabha going filmy. Almost 30 celebrities in fray, 80% debutants. Watch special report. And Videocon group with Thepo and Salgaonkar franchisees for Goa in Indian Super League 2 months league. IMG Reliance finalizes 8 cities including Goa for Super League. Now news in detail. Politicos and workers anticipate a BJP win in the north, but in the South Goa say it is hard to predict. During a day-long coverage of polling in the areas at district level, Salsette and especially the mining belt, our reporters could hear these echoes from political corners. The real verdict will make everything clear on 16th May. Till then, these are just the political claims and counter-claims. Here is the report.
Salsette polled a record of 80 to 85% for Lok Sabha. Congress had pitched their campaign high against Modi in Salsette. In addition, Church had appealed to vote for a secular candidate. Still, at the end of the day, it is hard to predict lead of any particular party in Salsette. The Salsette cars are unpredictable. During Assembly election too, they voted against Congress but not for the BJP. They elected independent or non-BJP or non-Congress candidate. Absence of Congress booth agent at some polling station placed Congress on the back foot in many areas. Political leaders and workers claim that Trinamool's Churchill must have fetched a hefty share of votes. There are echoes that votes will be divided among BJP and Congress at Kankorn and Paingin. Situation in the area suggests that people are not much inclined towards current MLA. Former MLA Isidore Fernandez was found very active. There are echoes that BJP may get lead in Madkai, Ponda and Shiroda because of the coalition partner MGP. But there are possibilities that in Prior, votes may get divided among the AAP, BJP and the Congress. Over 80% voting has been recorded across the mining belt. Ban mining was a major poll campaign agenda for every political party in this area. Congress had gone aggressive to an extent of playing recorded footage against CM Parrikar and his government. However, ground zero echoes indicate that it's hard to anticipate situation in Sangay, whether it is BJP or Congress. Some say BJP, some say 50-50. There are claims that BJP will take a lead in Kudsade, Sawadde, while Congress will take a lead in Kepe. Many in North Goa anticipate victory of Shripad Naik. However, nobody says it confidently. There are chances that votes might have divided in talukas of Sattari and Bardes. There are claims that Shripad will take a lead in Mandre, Mapsa and Sholi, whereas Ravi will take a lead in Kalangut, Aldona, Valpoy and Purye. But at the end of the day, these are all claims and counterclaims. Results are still 34 days away. Now all eyes are set on 16th May, the poll verdict. Bureau Report, Prudent.
When the National Investigating Agency was nabbing terrorists of Indian Mujahideen one by one, founder member of the outfit Yasin Bhatkar found a safe house in Goa. Prudent has a copy of the charge sheet filed by NIA before the special NIA court at Delhi, which discloses that Yasin Bhatkar not only enjoyed his stay in Goa, but he and his men experimented to prepare explosives using chemicals. We bring to you a series of stories about stay and act of Yasin Bhatkar in Goa.
From Mumbai train blast to Varanasi blast, from Bangalore stadium blast during IPL match to German bakery blast, From Ahmedabad serial blast to multi-blast in Delhi, Jaipur serial blast, Jama Masjid shootout, Hyderabad blast, and most recently Bodh Gaya blast. One person responsible for conspiring and executing all. The most dreaded terrorist of India, Yasin Bhatkal. Yasin Bhatkal's original name is Muhammad Ahmad Siddi Bapa, and he is a native of Bhatkal village in Karnataka. Base of Indian Mujahideen was laid down in 1999 in Bhatkal village. Initially, the outfit was known as Usaba. NIA, while talking about his young days, stated that Siddi Bapa was fanatic-minded since his young age. Siddi Bapa and his friends formed a small group, namely Usaba, and started work to motivate more youths to join the outfit. Usaba had carried out attacks on the American Center in Kolkata in 2002. Siddi Bapa has confessed that he used to narrate the stories of jihad and jihadis to the youth and used to motivate to wage war against non-Muslims. In 2004, Siddi Bapa established a workshop to train youth for attack. In 2005, using fake passport, Siddi Bapa visited Pakistan via Dubai and took training to use weapons and explosives. After taking a tough training around mid of 2006, Siddi Bapa returned back to India, and to avoid original identity, he adopted a new name, Yasin. Yasin took 3 acres of land at Kopa near Udupi in Karnataka and converted it into a farmhouse. Yasin started executing terrorism act from the farmhouse. He recruited youth from Darbhanga of Bihar and Azamgarh of Uttar Pradesh and executed many bomb blasts across India. Yasin and his men became very aggressive, struck many places, took lives of many innocent people. NIA was behind Indian Mujahideen and many operatives were arrested from Darbhanga in November 2011. Yasin was also in Darbhanga at that time, but he succeeded to escape.
NIA in its charge sheet has disclosed that to avoid the possible arrest, Yasin Bhatkal had come to Goa in December 2011. It was not that Yasin was hiding here sitting in a room, but he was continuously working on his terror plans. With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.